Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best litter boxes for multiple cats that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Frisco Multifunction Covered Cat Litter Box. If you're looking for the best overall litter box for multiple cats, this is it. It's a large litter box, but that's perfect for multi-cat homes. It comes with plenty of storage space to hold everything that you need. From the litter scoop to deodorizers and litter, with this Frisco litter box, there's room for everything. But it's not just about storage, it also has a flip-up design that makes cleanup easy, and the covered lid helps with both diggers and sprayers. While this might be one of the best litter boxes out there, it is slightly expensive, and you need to have enough space for it. If you have the space and the money, though, having everything in one spot makes litter box duty so much easier. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Frisco High-Sided Cat Litter Box. Just because you don't want to spend a ton of money doesn't mean you can't get a great litter box for your cat. The Frisco High-Sided Cat Litter Box is one of the best litter boxes for multiple cats for the money, and it's not hard to see why. Not only is it inexpensive, but Frisco made it from Bpa Free and Recyclable plastic, which makes it good for both your bank account and the planet. Moreover, it's easy to clean and easy for your cat to enter, making it an outstanding choice for older or disabled cats. Furthermore, it comes in 2 different colors, and while neither is the most stylish option out there, it can match the room a bit more. However, the lower price has a few trade-offs. For starters, while it has high sides, cat owners of sprayers and diggers know that an open-top design like this isn't enough. Moreover, it has no odor control, and you can always see the litter. At number 3, we have the Litter Spinner Cat Litter Box. One problem that gets overlooked with many litter boxes is how a smaller kitten can get in and out. That's not a problem with the litter spinner. While it can only support cats up to 10 pounds, that's perfect for both kittens and smaller cats. While it's a little expensive, it also has a hands-free, easy-to-clean design that doesn't require any batteries or power cords. Simply spinning the container sifts out the waste and leaves you with a clean litter box. It also has dust controlling and odor controlling features that are a huge perk. If there's one thing that we wish we could change, it's that cats can still kick litter right out the front. At number 2, we have the Iris Top Entry Cat Litter Box. If you have dogs in the home, it's time to check out top entry litter boxes. The beauty of these is that healthy cats can get in and out, but your dog can't get their head in far enough to eat the cat droppings. When it comes to top entry litter boxes, the option that Iris makes is a good one. There are 4 different color options and 2 different sizes available, so there's a good chance that there will be an option that you like. Additionally, the lid has grooves to help clean paws, and it comes with a matching litter scoop and hook for easy storage. However, we wish that there was an odor control feature. Also, if you have an older or disabled cat, they might not be able to navigate the top entry system. And finally, at number 1, we have the Iris Large Shielded Cat Litter Pan. The Iris Shielded Litter Pan can get the job done if you have cats that don't dig or spray, but if you do, expect a mess. It's a no-frills, basic litter box. It's easy to clean and includes a matching scoop, but it's hard to find any perks past that. You can see the litter all the time, and there's nothing to help contain the odor. Even at this price, you can do better.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.